Very important. There's a hot new investment out there. I want to know if you're a buyer or if you're a seller. All right. Sharing my screen. Can you see it?
Oh
Cathie
God.
Wood. She's got a new fund and anyone can get involved. Anyone can buy it. $500, all you need. It's 70% private markets, 30% public companies. There's only the expense ratio to own this. It's only, almost 4.5% of your money. So you got 100K, just hand 4,200 over to Cathie Wood. And the best part, you can only quarterly redemptions. You can't just pull your money out because she was sick of losing all that money. So she said we're doubling down on innovation. She said as her fund is down 90% from highs. So are you a buyer to the Cathie Wood new innovation private market fund?
If it was that or an NFT, I would do it. If it's just that or anything else, no, you couldn't pay me. But so on the VC topic, they did when you check most VCs, it's like it's not like a bell curve of returns where like if
No, there's one that work and 15 that don't.
Yeah, or it's more like one works per 100. It's like
and the one is 1000x, and that's how you get paid.
Yeah, but when you take all the VCs in general, which is a very small market to begin with, the average rate of return that these VCs will get broadly, like if you had a S&P index of the VC market, they actually have underperformed the S&P by 200 basis points, by 2% a year. But then there's the outliers, the ones that we hear of, the guys who bought into Uber or Facebook early and turned 50 grand into 500 million or whatever those 1000x returns are, or 10,000x returns. So as much as this is exciting for most people, or maybe newer investors,